Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Witeithie, Thika Road. I know 90% of you have never heard of Witeithie and will never hear about it again. But before you delete it from your mind, I'll explain where it is. Witeithie is a locality in close proximity to Thika town and Juja town. Right now we are exactly 1.5 kilometers from Witeithie shopping center and exactly 1.9 kilometers from Thika superhighway. Next to me is a 3-bedroom, single ensuite bungalow with a print area of 135 square meters. This home has been built on a 40 by 80 piece of land, and the price I'll not tell you right now. Before I take all of you inside, this home is in an estate of 9 units. And to make the matter worse, it is the only home that is on sale right now. Before we start the tour, I want to give you a challenge. This home is among the most affordable homes that we have showcased in the channel this year. And I want you to guess the price and write it in the comment below. And by the time we get to the kitchen, I'll give you the actual price. I know most of you are regular viewers, so you can never be wrong at this. On the other hand, I'll give you a hint. And it is the first guess from my cameraman, and he says that the price should be 6.5. But I'll tell you something, he is wrong and the price is lower. Let the challenge begin. This home comes with a 2-car parking, as you can see from there, and I like it that it comes with a biodigester on the far end. The main entrance is here. It comes with an entrance porch that makes this home look very welcoming. I'll take you inside. From the entrance, you'll notice that this home comes with a double door, and this makes it very easy when you are bringing your big furnitures to the home. From there, you can already see that the living room is massive, and even if it opens to the dining area, this space is big enough to fit a 7-seater to a 9-seater couch. This is where you do your electronics. I don't like it at all. I don't know if it's the color, but you have an option of removing it anyway. On the other hand, I like it that it comes with numerous sockets for all your electronics, and it comes with DSTV ready. This home comes with a beautiful gypsum ceiling. And from there, you can see that the developer tried to play with the shapes. The lighting has been done very well, and the heights of this ceiling has complemented this living room, making it very airy and very comfortable. This living room comes with 3 windows, and even if this home is in an estate, the developer did not compromise on security. On my far front, you have the dining area of this home. The space is massive for your 6-seater to an 8-seater dining set, and I like it that it comes with a wash basin and a mirror on this side. The window to the dining area is here, and the dining area opens to the kitchen through this dome-shaped access. As much as this home adopts the semi-open plan method, the developer separated the kitchen from the other part of the living room, and the kitchen can be accessed through this door. The kitchen is not the biggest, though it has been done very well. The kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets, and I like it that this space has been reserved for your refrigerator. This door takes you to the laundry area, and the kitchen comes with a double sink just next to me. I like it that the developer tried to separate the 2 taps for cold and hot water. So if you like doing your solar water heaters, you can easily do them in this home. This space has been reserved for your cooking stove and its gas cylinder. At this point, you have seen half of this home. Do you like it? Do you think it's worth the amount that you have guessed? This developer is a very lenient fellow and is only demanding 5.9 million for this home. I think that's a bargain, and if you have that amount in your bank, you should come and purchase this home. The developer will only require 20% deposit, and the rest can be paid either by a mortgage or you can pay it within 60 days. I'll show you the clotheslines area. The laundry area is here. I like it that it comes combined with the clotheslines area, and it comes with an extra tap for all your other activities. This home does not come with any greenery, so if you like planting your onions or your tomatoes, you need to plant them in your portable vases. If that's hard for you, you'll need to do a master's degree in aquaponics. I'll take you inside. From the laundry area through the kitchen, we are back at the living room of this home. On my right hand side, you have the primary bedroom, and on my left hand side, you have the two kids' bedrooms. I'll show you the two kids' bedroom, and after that, we will see the primary bedroom. This is the first bedroom. Behind me, you have the second bedroom, and this section has been set aside for your bathroom and your washroom. The bathroom is of a normal size, and it comes with a towel holder, a shower head, and a soap holder. This is the common washroom, and it comes with a water closet and a tissue holder. We'll see the second bedroom first, and later I'll show you the first and the primary bedroom. The second bedroom is slightly smaller than the first bedroom, though it comes with a similar type of closet and a slightly smaller window. This closet comes with these spaces that has been reserved for the hangable clothes, two drawers down there, and an extra storage up here. But if the space is not enough, you can always use the space above the closet. I'll take you to the first bedroom. The first bedroom is exactly similar to the second one in both design and aesthetics, and it comes with its window here and the closet on the opposite side. This closet has been partitioned similarly to the one that we saw in the second bedroom, though I like it that it blends very well with the colors of this bedroom. I'll take you to the primary bedroom. Before we get to the primary bedroom, this home comes with an electric fence, and its control is here. Next to it, you have your electric bell. At the entrance of the primary bedroom, you have the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom comes with a wash basin at the entrance and a towel holder. On this space that has been reserved for your showering, it comes with a shower head and a water closet. The primary bedroom is the biggest, and it comes with the biggest window and the biggest closet. The primary bedroom gets a ton of light from this window because it faces the front side of this home, and we do not have a shade on this side. The closet is here. This closet comes with a space for your hangable clothes, two drawers down there, a space for your shoes, and we have an extra space here for all your foldable clothes. That other section is just similar to this one. The developer of this home tried to play with the details very much, and I like it that even in the bedrooms the lighting has been done very well. I like it. That's all for this bedroom. We have come to the end of the tour, and I hope you have enjoyed. If you want to purchase this home, we'll leave all our contacts in the first comment below. That's all for today, and as always, never stop watching. Bye bye.